Yo, what's good everyone? I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm starting off my morning by getting a few things done to my 335i that I just got. I might be getting my new wheels and tires on the car. In the last video I didn't really show you guys. I kind of like made it a surprise and made you guys wait. But hopefully I'll be able to get that done today. But today I'm for sure getting the transmission oil pan filter replaced because it's leaking a little bit of fuels, but it's not too big of a deal. I'm at my buddy Gustavo's shop. I'm just waiting for him to pull up. He had to run to AutoZone just to get a few things. But Gustavo has worked on a lot of my cars before. He's a good friend of mine. And I just thought I would film this all because if I get this done today and then get the wheels on, it would just be awesome because I'd get two things done to this car. So let's get it, guys. Hopefully we can get this shit done. Alright, my boy Gustavo just pulled up. And look how many transmission oil I had to get for this because we're gonna have to drain all the transmission oil, and I got this all from ECS Tuning. Got some Redline synthetic oil, and I heard a lot of good reviews on the E92 forums, and these are the new hardware for the filter, and then this is another plug that needs to be replaced when you do the transmission oil filter. Yeah, I think I got about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of these, and they're each a quart. So yeah, I had to get a lot. These were expensive as hell too, so. We just getting into the shop. So the spider decided to lay eggs all up in here. This huge spider web. But let me show you guys what we're going to be replacing today. So as you guys can see, it's really wet and it's leaking oil from the oil pan filter. And that's why I got a new one with new bolts and then that other plug and a whole bunch of training oil. So we're going to get it drained. Gustavo's going to help me. So we just removed all these shields. So Gustavo just removed all these shields. Now he's gonna loosen all these bolts and then replace them with the new ones that the kit provided with us. And we just kind of leak out all this bad oil and then replace it with the full synthetic. Alright guys, so I'm leaving the shop right now. I'm gonna let Gustavo complete everything. I'm super hungry and I'm having my boy Jack pull up. We're about to go eat. What's good, bro?
What's up, Brody?
Thanks for swooping me. Doing good.
No problem, I'll do it anytime.
Hey, so we're about to go eat right now. Probably go get some burgers or something. It's gonna be a little while since he has to let everything drain before he puts in the new transmission oil. And I just wanted to get those few clips of how it's done and just a little video of that. And now we're gonna leave and then probably just get dropped off later. Oh, we pulling up to the plug spot, bro. Where we at? Where we at?
We go out to get some good food, some good grub at the famous delicacy.
Hell yeah.
And,
Animal style fries, bro?
Always.
Always.
Yes, please.
Oh, we just got the burgers.
Here is that strawberry shake, and here is that pink
Oh.
You guys have a good rest
Look
of
at
your
this
day.
fire.
4 cents and your seat. Have a good day.
Thanks, bro.
No problem.
It's time to go grub. Let's get it. Bag is now secured.
Secure.
Let's get it. We just pulled up to my house right now. We're just gonna go eat in the backyard until my car is done. And guess what, guys? I am getting my wheels on today. So my buddy who's gonna put the wheels on for me, he actually gave me a text and he said to come through today. So at 5 o'clock, after I get the oil filter done, I'm gonna go get the new wheels on and I'll reveal that all to you guys. So let's get it. All right, let me show y'all the packs that we got. And if you guys don't have an In-N-Out near you, I'm so sorry. Now these are what are my favorite, the animal fries. Woo, that sauce on there is so good, guys. I don't like onions. Fucking Jack's gross ass likes onions. I don't know, I just don't like onions. We're just now waiting on Gustavo to give me a call. I'm probably just gonna go over there anyways and just watch it and film a little bit more clips. But I'm really hyped because my boy Xavier gave me a text and he said that I can come by his shop and get the new tires and wheels on the Beamer. So I've been waiting for that for a while, and these Rohanas I've been wanting for a long time. Like I think I went to this car meet like 2 years ago and I saw this guy with the 350Z have these wheels on it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get them for the Beamer because they just look really nice, classy, and they have concave with a nice little chrome lip. So yeah, I'll show you guys the wheels and reveal the wheels once I get them on, because last week's video I like wanted to make it a surprise, but I'll show you guys everything. So let's get it. Jack, you know what I love about 350Zs, bro?
What?
I love how much room you get to have.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, bro.
How much room?
That
How
you
much?
could just like get a full treadmill, workout bench, and just mob around with it, bro. That's how much I love them, bro. Alright guys, we just got back to Gustavo's shop. Thank you so much, Gustavo. I really appreciate it, man. Hey, thank you. Alright, so we're just now leaving Gustavo's shop. In the car, like right when I started it and started driving, I could already tell that it is like shifting like 100 times better with the new full synthetic transmission oil and the new oil filter. So I'm really excited. We're just leaving. We'll just give it a... Oh yeah. Jeez. This shifts so much better than it did. Like that was definitely the cause, because like I could tell that there was a little lag, and I think it was because I was leaking so much transmission oil. I just needed some new oil and like a new oil filter. But hell yeah, guys. So we're just on the way. I'm going over to my buddy Xavier's shop and we're gonna get the wheels and tires on. I've been waiting for this forever, so we're gonna get it done today and I'll show you guys when I get there. So on the drive home, my camera ended up dying, so I had to change my battery, but we got back to my house. I have the tires in the back, brand new meaty tires just arrived today, and then I got all the wheels, and I did also film my girlfriend Brianna. What's up, Bri? Looking all cute in the Beamer. But yeah, let's go get the wheels on. Hey, let's get... Just pulling up to the shop. So we're actually at the dealership right now. Now it's just time to unload these and then get them all swapped out. He's also going to balance them for me or whatnot. He has the machine over here. And I'm actually at the dealership, like I said. I'm not going to say which one, but I used to work here, so I get that VIP special treatment, you know what I mean? Say that again?
They look dope as shit, dude.
Hell
Check
yeah.
them out, look.
I can't show them yet.
Hey. Oh, you can't show them
No,
yet?
I'm going to show them until I can get the, yeah.
Oh, damn.
What up, what up, what up? Alright, so this is day 2 of this video. The reason why I had to stop filming the first time is because the company that sent me these wheels didn't send me the right tuner lug nuts that fit the diameter of the holes. So my lug nuts and the tool, the key tool, wasn't fitting the wheels. So I'd have that company send out some lug nuts that they said that they're going to include. And I finally got them, and my boy Xavier, at the shop I was originally at, he's busy and I have little patience. I really want these wheels on since I already had to wait for the lug nuts to come. So I'm gonna knock that out today, just do it by myself. I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels yet. I mean, you guys can get like a little view right there, but I'm gonna show you guys the final product of once I get this done. I'm hyped. I hope you guys are hyped. But anyways, I'm tired of waiting to get these wheels on, so we're gonna knock it out and I'll show you guys the final product. Let's get it. Oh my God, I cannot even tell you guys how clean these look on the Beamer. Like these just like fit this car so perfect. Like I am so hyped on how good these look on the Beamer. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. My boy Jack just pulled up while I was putting the wheels on. Yeah, we're gonna go to the parking garage and I'm gonna show you guys the final view of the wheels. Let's get it. We just pulled up to the parking garage right now. I'm with my buddy Jack from earlier.
What's up?
You guys ready? Let's get it. Show them the wheels. Oh, it's not focusing. Yep, guys, these are the new wheels. Rohana RC10s, 19-inch wheels, brand new, with brand new tires. I'm so hyped on how these look, guys. They make it look so nice. It just like fits the car so good. Look at that. Tell me what you guys think. Brand new Rohanas. These are the lug nuts I was waiting for and why I couldn't get them on last time, but we got them on today and I'm so happy. So after the little wait and little inconvenience that I had to wait for the lug nuts to arrive, I'm super happy that I finally got the wheels on. It honestly looks so nice on this car, and I had my eyes on these wheels for a while. I first saw them on a 350Z at this car meet. I was like, yeah, those would look super nice on the Beamer. But make sure to comment below what you guys think. I'm interested in hearing. I got some crazy things coming for this Beamer. I'm looking at downpipes at the moment, get it sounding really nice, and from there, who knows? Probably get a Cobb Access for it, get a tune after I get the downpipes, make a little more power, and maybe go E85. I don't know. I'm still deciding on what I want to do next with this car. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you guys liked it. I'm definitely going to be updating you guys as much as I can. I've just been really busy these past few weeks and months, just working a whole bunch and just getting everything in line. But yeah, I'm super happy that I finally got these wheels on. It doesn't look so much like stock, because I went from the Y-body G to a completely stock BMW, and now it doesn't look so much stock. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.
Yeah, I might have to go